Hello from Vilnius Airport. I'm Patrick Hughes and this is Planet Patrick. I'm Patrick Hughes and this is Planet Patrick. This is the start of a really long travel day from here in Vilnius all the way to Cologne in Germany. Now I'm taking a Bolt, which is like an Uber, from here at the hotel out to the airport at Vilnius, VNO, to pick up a Ryanair flight to Bremen in Germany. When I get to Bremen, I've got a tight connection time to get a Deutsche Bahn ice train from Bremen in first class to Cologne. Can't wait for it. Let's get going. There goes my very friendly Uber driver. Took about 20 minutes to get from downtown to here at the airport. Today's flight is with Ryanair FR7601 on board a Boeing 737-8AS. I understand from Michael, who's one of my subscribers and friends here on Planet Patrick, that this is going to be a Boeing Sky Interior, so I'm interested to see what that's like. Okay, so here's our flight, 12 o'clock to Bremen, FR7601, gate A8. The airport seems probably quite small compared to lots of others, but really has a very beautiful shopping area, and going through security took less than a minute. No complaints here. I'm going to enjoy an almond latte from the coffee shop that's right at the gate. The gate is just here. I think a lot of people are already here for the flight, even though it's 90 minutes beforehand. Maybe they board very early here or something, I don't know, or people were concerned about COVID restrictions, but getting through was very, very fast. Hopefully getting on board is going to be very straightforward. Oh, time to board. Here we go.
Place the mask over your nose and mouth.
And so it's welcome to Bremen in Germany. Bremen Airport is one of the smallest airports I've ever been in. You get off the plane, walk through baggage claim, which is right there, and then you're straight outside. So that was a very smooth takeoff with Ryanair. Very straightforward, maybe a sharper landing, but still perfectly smooth and acceptable. About 1 hour 46 minutes in total on that flight. That's it for this episode of Planet Patrick. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you don't already and hit that notification bell and follow along with live reports on Instagram at This Is Planet Patrick. Until the next one, take care. Bye bye. Hello from Bremen Hauptbahnhof, or Central Train Station. Willkommen nach Planet Patrick. I'm Patrick Hughes and this is Planet Patrick.